The Christian family is a little world created by love. Your family is God's gift to you, as you are to them. I have no way of knowing whether or not you married the wrong person. But I do know that if you treat the wrong person like the right person, you could well end up having married the right person after all. It is far more important to be the right kind of person regardless of whether or not you have married the right person. There are couples who did not give up hope, and by following scriptural instructions, overcome extreme marital adversity of all kinds, hardships from losing a child, to experiencing long separations from military service, hardships from infertility to infidelity, from overcoming drug abuse to overcoming life-threatening illnesses and accidents, to dealing with families who do not support the marriage. There are strong Christians who at long last created a happy marriage with their unbelieving spouse, and couples who experience financial hardship, including living through the Great Depression. Many of these couples had lost hope at one point or another, but held their spouse and their situation up to God in prayer, and found a way to not just stick it out, but to find lasting happiness and joy. The vast majority of those who are getting a divorce in the U.S. today have marriages that have the capacity to be restored. This according to a large quantity of scriptures I have read in the Bible. What the individuals in these marriages in crisis need most is hope. You may be thinking you are beyond hope, but there is hope, regardless of how dark it may get. With God, there is always hope. Let the peace that Christ gives control your thinking, because you are all called together in one body to have peace. Marriage is sacred because God has consecrated it. Ultimately, it is God who joins a husband and wife. A Christian family is a sacred relationship established and sustained by love, commitment, and faith in God. It emphasizes that family relationships, especially marriage, are gifts from God and should be nurtured with patience, prayer, and Christ-centered attitudes rather than judged only by circumstances or difficulties. Many couples face serious trials, such as grief, separation, illness, addiction, financial hardship, infertility, or infidelity. But marriages can still be restored when couples rely on biblical guidance and prayer. Even when hope seems lost, faith in God can bring renewal and healing. This theme reflects several biblical teachings. 1 Corinthians 13, verse 7. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Many marriages that appear to be failing still have the potential for restoration. What struggling couples often need most is hope grounded in God's promises. Through prayer, perseverance, and reliance on Christ's peace, relationships can move from crisis to stability. The Christian family is meant to reflect God's love. Even when challenges arise, marriages can grow stronger when couples develop Christ-like character, persevere through trials, seek God through prayer, allow Christ's peace to guide their home. When these principles are practiced, the family truly becomes a little world created by love.